Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Subaru Impreza versus the Mitsubishi Evo. We'll dive into what made these two rally legends so special and why their rivalry captivated car enthusiasts for decades. We'll explore their core philosophies, performance capabilities, and the driving experience each offered. Get ready for a deep dive into two of the most celebrated performance cars ever produced. Under the hood, both cars packed serious punch. The Impreza STI often boasted a 2.5-liter boxer engine, known for its unique rumble and broad power band. The Evo, on the other hand, typically featured a 2.0-liter inline-4, a high-revving unit that loved to be pushed. Both channeled their power through advanced all-wheel drive systems, but with distinct approaches to torque distribution and differential control, influencing their on-road and track characteristics. When it comes to driving, the differences become clear. The Impreza STI often felt more composed and stable, offering a confident and predictable ride, especially at speed. The Evo, however, was typically the more aggressive of the two, with incredibly sharp steering and a willingness to rotate, making it a favorite for track days and spirited driving. Each offered a raw, unfiltered connection to the road, but through distinct dynamic personalities. The Subaru Impreza STI and Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution have cemented their places as automotive legends. Their fierce competition pushed the boundaries of performance and technology, creating a golden era for rally-inspired street cars. While the Evo is no longer in production, the STI continues its legacy, carrying the torch for accessible, high-performance all-wheel drive. Their impact on car culture is undeniable, and they remain highly sought after by enthusiasts worldwide. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.